Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can download and install Facebook app in your iPhone. Well, it's very easy and simple. So first thing is to simply open the App Store, and from here make sure that you are logged into your Apple ID, and you can simply tap on this search icon that you can see right here. After doing that, tap on the search bar right here, then start typing Facebook. So after searching for Facebook, here you can see this is the Facebook. So tap on it and you can see a cloud-like icon right here. If you have previously installed it on your phone, you will be seeing this type of icon. If not, you will be seeing Get option. All you have to do is tap on Get, and then your Face ID or your Touch ID or the password of your Apple ID might be required. All you have to do is fill it and the download process will begin. So here you can see I have previously installed this on my phone. So all I have to do is tap on this cloud-like icon and my download process will begin without any type of requirement of verification. So within few minutes, here you can see we have now successfully installed and downloaded Facebook on our iPhone. All you have to do is tap on open just like this and Facebook will be opened. And from here, you can simply log into your account and use your Facebook. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.